Three Bears, 69, Cul-de-sac Boulevard. 69? You know where it is? Yeah! Fire! Good shot! Thanks.
Looks like I've done them a favor. They've left the tap on. Whoops! I hope it still works. I think I hear someone.
Pa, looks like we had another break-in.
I'll catch that young hooligan this time.
Wait, Pa, it could be dangerous.
Stand aside, Ma. I'm trained to handle this.
Ooh, heck. Rumbles. I'd better hide. Phew.
Here I come. It's all clear, Ma.
You checked everywhere, Pa?
No sign of anyone, Ma. Come in.
Come on, Junior.
Who's been blowing up my door?
And who's been drying out my sponge collection?
And who's been breaking my computer?
I'll bet I know who.